Hey guys, just chilling here next day with my kitty. Such a baby girl. I love her so much. Yeah, well, my friend did some crazy ass shit. Oh, what's up?
What's up, bro?
What are you doing?
Hi, kitty. Nah, Brian. I'm legit just sorry about what happened.
Yeah, I'm sorry too, dude.
I'm sorry about this little kitty, too.
Why is that?
Because I terrified her.
Yeah?
Hi. Little kitty. I'm sorry I did that to you. I'm sorry.
I'm recording right now, dude.
Yeah, I'm just going down. Hi, kitty.
Dude, what are you doing with my cat? Bro, that's my cat. Bro,
No.
bro, what are you doing with my cat? What are you doing with my cat? Come on, give me my cat back. Come on, give me my cat back. Give me my cat back.
My cat now.
Come on, give me my cat back.
My cat now.
Dude, give me my cat.
My cat.
Give me my cat.
My cat.
Give me my cat.
You want to take her away?
No. No.
Yeah, I know.
Stop, motherfucker. Shit, boy. Fuck. I got the cat back.